Hi fam, today I'm going to show you how I made a rich nourishing carrot body cream from scratch. Starting with fresh carrots all the way to a smooth preservative safe lotion. Let's begin. To get started, we need to first make our carrot oil. I started by washing and grating fresh carrot into a heat resistant glass cup. Then I added jojoba oil until the carrots were completely covered. I placed the glass cup in a double boiler and infused it gently for about 20 minutes. After that, I let the mixture sit for 3 days to continue infusing. Finally, I strained the oil through a tight sieve without pressing the carrot. And here it is, my carrot infused oil ready for the recipe. For this 500 grams batch of carrot cream, I measure out 85 grams of carrot oil, 30 grams of emulsifying wax, 10 grams of cetyl alcohol, 363 grams of distilled water, plus 2.5 grams each of vitamin E and fragrance oil, and 7.5 grams of preservatives. Now to the oil phase. In a heat-safe beaker, I combine the carrot oil, emulsifying wax, and cetyl alcohol. I heated the mixture over a double boiler until everything was melted and clear, around 70 degrees Celsius. Now to the water phase. In another beaker, I heated the distilled water to the same temperature, about 65 to 70 degrees Celsius, so it could blend smoothly with the oil phase. Next, I slowly pour the hot water into the oil phase while blending with a stick blender. I blend for about 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture became creamy and opaque. Once the lotion cooled to below 45 degrees, added the cooled down ingredients: 7.5 grams of preservative, 2.5 grams of vitamin E oil, and 2.5 grams of fragrance oil combined. Then I stir well to combine. I transfer the finished cream into a sterilized jar and bottles with preservative. This carrot cream will last between 3 to 6 months if stored in a cool, dry place. The result is a smooth, not greasing carrot body cream that leaves the skin soft and glowing. And here is a quick tip. If you want a thicker cream, increase the cetyl alcohol by 10 to 20 grams or add about 10 grams more emulsifying wax. Small changes make a big difference in texture. And that is it, your homemade carrot body cream, safe, stable, and nourishing. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY skincare.